Hi everybody. Quick hello about the GR9s. I enjoyed them very much. One of the groups, I think it was Group 1, began a conversation about Douglas. I'm thinking it was John who sort of used one of our central metaphors for the course, the young America as teenager going through an identity crisis, and sort of made the metaphorical connection with what Douglas had to go through to achieve his physical and spiritual and intellectual freedom. First from slavery, then later from Garrison and Phillips and the abolitionists, and to achieve his own voice as he does in the speech that we read last week. And I do think there's some similarity there between Douglas and Emerson and Thoreau for this week, both of whom really are writing about the fact that we achieved this physical independence in the case of America from England and Europe, but we have yet, by the time we get to 1830s, 40s, 50s, we've yet to really achieve a kind of cultural, social, intellectual, artistic independence, political independence, really, from the old world ways of thinking. So you might think about that for your GR10. Other options for your GR10s, I believe, really boil down to whether or not you want to pick up on some of the interesting contemporary conversations that many of you raised, especially in groups 2 and 3. About issues that Thoreau or Emerson might weigh in on today in the 21st century. That's always a fruitful exercise. And then the mainstream question, which I think I might have warned you at one point or another was maybe a slight trick question because of the fact that in order to determine whether Emerson and Thoreau were in the mainstream in their own time, much less now, you have to determine what you think the mainstream was. And there are varying answers about that. So the question was designed to make you think about that, obviously. I mean, is America then or now is the default setting more one of dissent and constant revision of received wisdom and received law, or is America a site of conformity and commercialization and standardization? I think there are compelling arguments that can be made on both sides of that point. So you might talk about that as well. Thanks.